2, and 1. Slowly right leg forward in between your palm. Drop your heel down. Inhale first. Take your both arms straight, warrior. And slowly exhale, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale. Exhale, take your both arms down, back heel up. Now slowly inhale, right leg bend. Take your right arm straight, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale here. Again, right leg should be up, only bend it here. And slowly bend your right knee, bend your left leg, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly take a left leg forward here. Now take your interlock your finger. Inhale, this is for the relaxation. Inhale, look up and hold. 6. Keep your lower back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now put your right leg to the left side here. Now slowly how to just hug your right knee with the left hand. Twist, look it to the right and hold you. Now take normal breathing. 6, 5, adjust your lower back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, slowly inhale, take your both arms straight, and exhale. See here, take your first leg back here, toes in, and here again, take your feet to the gap here. Again, hold it here for the 5 breath. Hold your 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now change your leg, left leg forward here. Inhale, take your arm straight, first your warrior, and slowly take your right hand to the calf, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, and here take your arms down, back heel up. Now half wheel pose, bend your left leg, heel up. Inhale, lift up and stretch. 6, 5, 4, lift your hip higher. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly exhale. Here again, take your both hands down. Now see here, bend your left leg and right leg. Look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly take the right leg in between your palm and left leg. Again, this is for relaxation. Interlock your finger. Inhale, look up and hold. Keep your lower back straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly exhale. Take your left leg to the right side here, same like for the Matsyendra Asana. Now slowly how to just grab your left knee with your right hand. Now slowly take it back here, take normal breathing and hold you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, raise your both arms straight, and exhale. Again, slowly take it back here. Look up and press the heel on the mat. Again, hold it for the 5 breath. Lower back straight and hold. 5. Take normal breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly take your right leg forward in between your palm here. Drop the left knee down. Again, first warrior. Take your both arms straight, and exhale. How to slowly take it down here. Interlock your finger. Look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Take it here. Now slowly take your back heel up here, and take your right leg up, lift up and stretch here, and again hold it here. 6, lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly take the right leg forward here, and from here take a left leg also forward. Look straight and hold. See, right now I'm not putting knee on the elbow, I'm just putting beside here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly take your feet down here, hip down. Now with the 2 finger, get your big toe. Inhale, look up and hold here, maintain balance. 6, lower back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, take your feet together here. Again, you have to just slowly come up here, take your both arms straight forward, feet together, squeeze your hip and take abdomen in. 5, maintain balance. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, right, take your hands down. Now take your right leg back, we'll here change the leg. Inhale. Again, first you have to come in the warrior and exhale. Go down, hug your knee, interlock your finger, look up and hold. 6, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale, back heel up, and take a left leg up here, lift up and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now again, now take the left leg forward here and right leg up, and slowly you have to drop down, and you have to do here half hands headstand, just hold here. 6, keep your lower back straight. 5, if you're having neck pain or periods, you don't do. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly have this, put it down here and take your both arms down. Relax here for 5 to 6 breaths. Take no more breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3,